So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So one of the biggest opportunity finally came from the Infosys. So finally Infosys Virtual Internship 7.0 has been launched. So that is from the Infosys Springboard program. So this is one of the important hiring, and I will suggest everyone, those who want to gain the current knowledge or some latest technology, then I will suggest everyone you should apply for this virtual internship program. This is a wonderful opportunity from the Infosys. So dear learner, 7th edition of Infosys Springboard is out. So I will provide you complete detail. Make sure to go this video very carefully and share this video among your friends. Okay. So what's in it for you? You will gain hands-on experience, project-based learning, and learn from the industry leader. Who can apply? Applicant must have passed 12th standard or equivalent from the recognized board, and applicant must be pursuing or have completed graduation or post graduation. So those who are either in first year, second year, third year of graduations, or even fourth year or pass out, then you are eligible for this wonderful opportunity. So how you can apply? You have to just visit the channel page, which I will just show you. Then choose your interest area. So after viewing that, you have to just select your preferred project area such as AI, Angular, full stack, Python, Java tech stack, data visualization, or project management. Then just you have to complete the application by filling the details, and after that you have to just do the course. Okay, so if you are means successfully registered, then further the email will be sent for that. So deadline to apply for this internship is March 31, and I will suggest everyone you should apply, and you have to complete the recommended course by May 5. So how to do that? For that, just you have to click the link here. Okay, I will provide the link there. So just click here, then you will be redirected to new page, and you have to just agree to their term and condition. Okay, so first of all you have to just log in with that, and then you have to basically provide your gender, your first name, last name, state, city from which you are, and educational institute name and affiliation, whether it is affiliated from AICT or not, and all those details you have to fill. After that you have to basically provide the next step. So let me give all the detail, and after that I will show you the next step. So then you have to provide your mobile number, and OTP will be sent to your registered mail mobile number, and you have to basically just verify those details. 7557. Now you have heard from Springboard, just you can ask the YouTube. I'm just writing YouTube. Then channel partner, if you are aspirant or core any channel partner, then can you choose, otherwise just choose none. If you want to register as a volunteer, you can also register as a volunteer. Now you have to just click here next. Okay, so after clicking next, it will be successful. Okay, and again you can go through the video they have provided about the Infosys Springboard, and just click here next. So after next, basically you have to select the interest. So on what interest you are, means you have. So if you have interest in machine learning, you can click machine learning. So I have interest in machine learning, just I have click here machine learning. If you have design thinking or IoT, any base, you can choose any. Okay, there are also some other skills are there. You can choose from this: history, analytics, robotics, sports, and all those stuff. So I'm just click here, then click next. After that you have to choose your language and font size. You can choose that for the learning things, and you can apply anything theme here. Okay, so light theme or blue theme or green theme, just apply. So they are just basic setting you have to do. Just click here, done. Then it will basically redirected you to new page. Now you have been successfully registered, and now it will show this, that Infosys Virtual Internship 7.0. Just click here and choose the domain which you are interested. Okay, so this is a 7 editions and 100% virtual internship. So what is in it for you? In-depth technical knowledge, gains hands-on experience, and who are eligible, that I've already provided you update. So this will be 8-week virtual internship, means 2-month virtual internship will be there, and this will basically boost your resume. So that's the reason I'm telling you everyone should apply for this wonderful opportunity. So process of nomination and shortlisting, just go through it. Nomination deadline: ensure your internship nomination is submitted using a valid Infosys Springboard registered email ID and by March 31. So last date is 31st March, and phone registration will not be considered. So you have to do the registration by login this. Nomination form accuracy: course completion detail, you have to complete the course by 5 May 2026. And consistent ID usage, means you should basically see or go through the video completely. And what is the shortlisting process? Please note that course completion does not guarantee shortlisting for selection for this internship. Due to limited slot availability, the course completion date will be a key factor. So अगर आप जल्दी करते हैं, so strong chance of the selections for this internship. How to apply? So you have to just choose any one basically domain, and artificial intelligence, Angular full stack, Python technology stack, data visualization, or Java technology full stack. Suppose I'm choosing here the artificial intelligence, okay, learning path, and click here to apply. So I have chooses the artificial intelligence. Now it will give these all courses, means these all courses I have to do basically. So artificial intelligence, now just here, click here to apply. So it will redirected you to new page, and where you have to just confirm privacy statement there clearly. Just click here, I accept, and just click here, done. Then you have to give your full name and education and all those details, and just you have to do final submit. So friends, this is the complete step-by-step process to do the registration. So post submission of all those details, you will basically nominated for the internship, and you have to basically do the complete courses. So regarding the courses, I will make detailed video, no need to worry. So I hope this video informative to you. For getting such informative update, make sure to support and subscribe us. We regularly post lots of important internship and other job updates here, so you can सब्सक्राइब अस। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।